Hey guys, Jared from the Vinyl Corner, and today we are going to be unboxing the vinyl version of JPEG Mafia's newest album titled All My Heroes Are Cornballs. JPEG Mafia over the course of the last 2 years has been making enormous waves in the hip-hop industry, from his eccentric personality and interviews to his ingenious blends of pop rap, experimental rap, boy band ideologies. He just chooses a lot of different things to grab influence from and things to sample, and he creates this kind of internet savvy, cultured point of view on a lot of things, a lot of how, the internet affects our life and how these things are ingrained in everyday speech. I just feel like he's such a great encapsulation as to what makes this specific era so unique, this beginning of the digital age being the norm. And he's just a stunning artist. His last album was one of my favorite albums of last year, and his newest album is quite the same. And when I saw that they put up the pre-orders for this, I had to grab it. It has the alternate cover, which I'm very excited to see blown up in person. And so I'm going to stop babbling and we're going to get to cutting this thing open. So I did not mention it, but this package was done by Second City Prints. I don't think I've ever gotten anything from them personally, so I'm very excited to see what it's like. I've never done one of these correctly on the channel before, and I don't think today is going to be the day where I start shine in here. But oh my god, it finally happened. But so there's my receipt on top and the wonderful back cover. But obviously we're not here to see the back cover, we want to see that wonderful front cover. So bam, there it is. This is the alternate artwork. A lot of people seem to prefer this artwork, and I think it's actually kind of cool that they included a sticker for the album that includes the streaming version of the artwork as well. And I love all the fonts and all the crazy stuff going on there. So very cool stuff. I really like the design of it so far. It seems like an extra thick single jacket, so it looks like there's going to be 2 records in here, I think it was. I may have to keep this sticker, so I'm going to actually try to preserve this shrink a little bit here if I can at all, but probably not. So if I could get this shit off, that would be awesome. But here it is. Over here, without the shrink wrap. I really like the finish on it. It's very nice, and the records are just itching to get out of here. So it does include a download card in here, which is pretty cool. And then we have the records here. It seems like both of them are lyriced out over here. They have some really cool imagery all over them as well. So very cool stuff. I love a lot of like this weird, just random imagery going on, and the type font is really interesting. So very cool stuff. And let's see what the inner labeling is going to look like on these. Seems pretty basic. I kind of like it though. It fits really well here. Not too much going on. Very simple, plain, but it's really nice. Very well done. So nothing too much crazy to say about the packaging other than it's really nice. I love having the alternate artwork. The last time he did it, he pressed Veteran with the alternate artwork first, and then he went on to print it with the regular artwork. And I'm hoping he does the same, because I, personally speaking, prefer the artwork that's on the streaming. I think it's better for me, personally speaking, but I also love this art as well. So I'm just a whore for JPEG Mafia, so I want him to release anything and everything possible. So overall, really nice package. Not anything too crazy to say. I do, however, really like the spine, how it has like this interesting thing going on with the fonts. and how like spaced out they are. So yeah, very cool. I'm going to switch over the angle so I can talk about the album a little bit. Overall, it's a very simple package, but a well done one nonetheless. Definitely worth the price and the wait. I think pre-orders for this went up like 2 or 3 months ago. But yeah, everything is seemingly very nice with it. The pressing seems very thick. I didn't get a chance to play it, but it seems like a very thick pressing, so I'm very excited to dive into it and see what's good with the vinyl press versus the digital. So as for the album itself, for me personally, I feel like this is my favorite JPEG Mafia release yet. Veteran was absolutely incredible. Definitely one of my favorite records of last year, or maybe that was 2 years ago at this point. I can't even remember anymore. I think it was last year. But yeah, and for me, this one, I feel like it fleshes out a lot more ideas of what make him so interesting. The fact that he is kind of been pigeonholed into like this experimental category, whereas with this album, he does that, but he fleshes out his singing and his poppy approaches, and his melodic work is a lot more interesting and complex here comparatively to Veteran. And I just feel like overall, this just has a lot more of a vibe of someone trying to push a new idea into hip-hop or to shape what's going on in the mainstream by doing different things that are kind of underground and experimental at first. And I don't know, I just feel like this is a very special record for the hip-hop canon for this decade. I just feel like it's so intertwined in itself. It has this self-realized world where all of these things that shouldn't mix together just perfectly run together, whether it be a really hard-edged computer-driven sample of experimental like hip-hop into him using auto-tune to sing a song about Kenan and Kel from Good Burger, and it's just a really unique mix of ideologies lyrically and sonically, and all over it just has so much variation and so many intricate details to keep picking up on with the production and the double entendres and the metaphors with his rhymes, and it's just such a wonderful record. I just feel like it's a more cohesive package than Veteran was as a whole, and as somebody that prefers album experiences over singles and stuff, that gives the edge to this for me personally in the Veteran versus Cornballs debate. I just feel like as a whole package, this runs together a little bit better than Veteran did, whereas Veteran had better standout singles perhaps. But yeah, overall, I really can't say enough good things about JPEG Mafia. I think he is one of the most important artists to have arisen in the last decade, and I feel like going into the future, he's going to be somebody that doesn't stand still with what he's doing, and we're always going to see different sides of him and what he can do and how far he can push himself. So yeah, I'm very excited for his career, and if you've never checked him out, I can't recommend doing so enough. He's definitely one of the hottest and definitely most exciting names in the musical scene for me personally right now. So yeah, let me know, guys, if you got this vinyl and what you think. Do you prefer the alternate cover or do you prefer the one that is on streaming? Let me know down below, and while you're in the comments, hit that description, check out all of those links, like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to watch a video at the end of this one. Until next time, guys, have a nice day.